Robotic arms operating instead of human surgeons. This might be how surgeries are done in the future. As one of the many highlights of the 2022 World Robot Conference, some exhibitors gives us a glimpse of the future of healthcare. Some robotic surgeon manufacturers not only show their surgical console, but also allow visitors to try it. The robot cannot do anything on its own actually. Instead, it's more like an extension of the surgeon's eyes, arms, and hands. And this is how the surgeons control the robot. Here, through a high-definition 3D visualization, the surgeon is able to see all the fine and minute details inside the patient's body during the procedure, and that helps improve dexterity when the surgeon needs to dissect or suture an affected area. And according to the manufacturer, robotic surgeons are also good news for patients, as the futuristic process could help them heal faster.
Compared with traditional surgeries, robotic surgeries have smaller incisions, so there's less blood loss and less post-operation pains.
And it's not just surgery. There are more ways for robots to be used in healthcare. For instance, this company has developed a robotic system that can be used in rehabilitation. Designed to help patients recover from stroke and other severe neurological orders, these robotic devices allow patients to move comfortably by taking on most of the patient's body weight. This is how it works. It initiates the first step and then help the patients to perform next steps like this, and then help the patient to practice more through repetitive motions. But the high cost of medical robots have always been a great concern worldwide, and Chinese manufacturers are working on domestic medical robots to make them more affordable and innovative.
Besides relatively pricier devices that integrate more complex technologies, we are also developing affordable and simple rehab robots that can ensure their movement is repeated in exactly the same way each time and enable the muscle to move.
Instead of relying on imports, our company is now developing its own devices with domestic components in order to lower the cost and make surgical robots common practice for hospitals in even third-tier or fourth-tier cities in China.
In addition to medical robots, more than 500 robotic products from over 130 companies will be displayed in this year's conference, ranging from robotic dogs, logistic robots, to manufacturing robots, and so on. More than 300 scientists, as well as representatives from international organizations and companies from China and abroad, are taking part in the 4-day event, both online and in person. A report on the development of China's robotic industry is also expected to be released.